Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm taking a look at the bareMinerals GEN Nude Radiant Lipstick in XOX. It's 0.12 ounces by Bare Essentials. It's moisturizing color, demi-shine finish, formulated without parabens, sulfates, or the word that I can never say, which is phthalates. So basically, it's a creamy moisturizing lipsticks that range in a flattering nude shade for all skin tones. And when it comes to a nude lip, there's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all color. Meet a new generation of nude. GEN Nude Radiant Lipstick is addictively creamy color with medium coverage and balmy shine. It's formulated with natural oils and butters to moisturize, smooth, and condition lips, and it has a subtle vanilla scent. It's about the shipping weight is 1.6 ounces. It's rated highly. I like it myself. This one is a nice nude, but more of a pink color to it. So I'm gonna swipe it on my hand here, so you can see what it looks like. So it's a nice pinky nude color. It has a nice shine to it. And like I said, it smells like vanilla. It smells really nice. And it's a color I actually bought for my sister's wedding. I wore nice kind of pink nude color dress that was kind of 1920s style, and I wanted something to go with it that would not be too bright or too outlandish or anything, even though my sister wore red lipstick on her wedding day. But I found this bareMinerals nude range, and I found the XOX was the best color for my skin tone. I highly recommend it. They have a whole range of other colors that you can try out yourself if you want to go to a store and try them, or if you like this color yourself, I would go ahead and order it. I have so many lipsticks, I can't even count. I love lipstick. I love playing with lip color. I have some pigmentation to my lips, so most colors look pretty flattering on me. Not bragging, I'm just telling the truth. So I like to play with pinks and reds and nudes. Even though this is kind of a nude, it shows up on camera a lot more pink, and it's a very flattering color, and just a highly recommended color, especially from it's a good reputable company, bareMinerals. So yeah, suitable for weddings, suitable for every day, for work. You can even wear this at night. You could add some more gloss on top of it if you want, for more of a nighttime look. But it's a really beautiful color. It comes up really nice and shiny. It's, like I said, it smells good. I've definitely worn this on dates with my husband, and it's just a good general lipstick to keep in your purse. And like I always say, you can use lipsticks as a multitasker. This one is definitely a good one that you could use on your eyelids and on your lips and on your cheeks, so that you get some blush color in your cheeks, a little pink on your eyelids, and color for your lip. And then you just need a mascara in your purse. And I also keep a eyelash curler in my purse, because I think it's essential to curl your eyelashes, because that gives it a much prettier look. But if you're don't have any makeup on, this is a good multitasker. It's not just for lips. You can use it on your eyes, you can use it on your cheeks. That's what I really like about colors like this. So you don't have to take my word for it. try it yourself, the bareMinerals in XOX. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks so much.